Is it possible that the age-old marketing methods we've grown accustomed to are losing their edge? Could it be that the billboards, the TV commercials, the newspaper ads are all fading into the background of our collective consciousness? Maybe. But there's a new player in town, shaking up the marketing scenery. It's called guerrilla marketing. Imagine walking down a street and suddenly seeing a giant inflatable gorilla promoting a new phone app. Or maybe you've stumbled upon a chalk art masterpiece on the sidewalk, advertising a local cafe. Or perhaps you've even found yourself in the midst of a flash mob promoting a new movie. All these are examples of guerrilla marketing, a strategy that uses unconventional methods to promote products or services. One successful example is the Red Bull Stratos campaign. In 2012, Red Bull sponsored Felix Baumgartner in his quest to break the world record for the highest skydive. The spectacle, watched by millions around the globe, was a marketing masterstroke. Red Bull was everywhere, on TV, in newspapers, on social media, and all without a single traditional advertisement. Another example is the IKEA Book campaign. In 2014, IKEA released a witty parody of Apple's product advertisements. IKEA presented their catalogue as a revolutionary device with endless battery life and no lag. The video went viral, and the IKEA brand was propelled into the limelight, all without a single billboard or TV commercial. So what's the secret sauce? What makes guerrilla marketing so effective? Firstly, it's about surprise. Guerrilla marketing thrives on the unexpected. It captures attention in a way that traditional marketing can't. Secondly, it's about creativity. Guerrilla marketing doesn't rely on big budgets. Instead, it demands innovative, out-of-the-box thinking. Lastly, it's about connection. Guerrilla marketing isn't just about making a sale. It's about creating memorable experiences that leave a lasting impact on the audience. In summary, guerrilla marketing is a powerful tool in the modern marketing landscape. It breaks away from traditional methods, instead focusing on surprise, creativity, and connection. And as the examples of Red Bull and IKEA show, when done right, it can yield incredible results. So as we navigate this ever-changing world, one thing is clear. Those who dare to think differently, to break the mold and step outside the box, are the ones who will leave a lasting mark. And in the world of marketing, that's a game changer.